Hi, Mom. Look at the time. Oh my God. Oh my God. What is wrong with you? Me? What is this? Oh my God. Oh my God. What are you doing? Do it. Woman. Listen to me. I am your mother. It's 2 in the morning. And you cannot come in now. She wants you to leave right now. And never come back. You hear me? Never. I hate you. I don't know. Want to go to a party with us?
Oh man.
No party. Alright. I know what Jiggy with it.
They all dropped.
Huge round of applause, guys.
Damn, son. He dropped all of y'all like some.
Please tell us
Bowling
the
balls.
scripture and what was it about?
Hey, our scripture was something about.
Speak into it.
I know. Our scripture was something in Zacarias, right? And it Isaiah. It was it was about how, like, no matter what you do in life, no matter anything, Jesus is always there with you, like, every step of the way. And, like, I don't know if you guys noticed in our play, Jesus, right here.
Yeah.
Jesus. Jesus.
noticed.
Not in disguise.
No,
He was always there. No matter if he was like far away, really up close, he was always there near her. And like he somehow was praying and like interceding for her. And like the geek over here, she was the type of girl who always tried to do things right. Like how we all do, like how all good Christians try to do everything right. But she had difficulties. Like her mom was always pressuring her. There were her people, well, the people that would always like invite her to parties, drugs and everything, and there were everyday bullies that just are stupid. And so like she had all this stuff in
That's bullying. You're being called out too.
There's people.
well, and like even though she had all of this stuff like on her and everything, even though she lost control and everything, and she felt like she was nothing, like she was just gonna forget everything, like she, who knows, commit suicide, just go into it or just start life all over. But in the world, like Jesus was already there, interceding, was already ready to like accept her back into his arms and everything. Is that it?
Alright, everybody did a wonderful job. Give yourselves a huge round of applause. Our day off, so you guys pretty much were probably tired of us keep talking and talking and talking. So you guys did an awesome job.